Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. I forgot I was going to show how to, and I actually like this one better than I did just now. My ball was too little. So let's just make a shadow for this one. It's pretty easy. We're going to group this together, Control G. And then I'm going to just get rid of these. I'm going to take the new duplicate, and I didn't make a duplicate. Then I'm going to squish this thing down. And that way it kind of has the ball in it, but we don't want the red, so we're going to go to the shadow tool and make a shadow of it. And that's pretty good. Now what I like to do is take it and go to Object, break the drop shadow apart, and get rid of that color one. And then you could put that shadow anywhere in your, that looks pretty good. Anywhere in your picture, if you ever wanted to do that, and you could make it a little bit wider or narrower depending on what you wanted to do. Anyway, just an idea. I hope that helped. Thank you for watching.